Good afternoon all. In today's video of discrete mathematics, I will discuss the continuing topic types of relations. I have discussed every kind of relations. Now I am going to tell numericals on types of relation. So till the time we know there are seven types of relations: reflexive, irreflexive, symmetric relation, antisymmetric, transitive. 5 relations are here, and that after that equivalence relation and poset 7 relations are here. So today how we will solve these numericals, I am going to tell you that. Okay, let's see numerical first. 2.15, consider the following 5 relations on set A. Set A is equal to 1 2 3. R is given 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 1 comma 3 3 comma 3. Relation R is given S 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 2 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3. T is given 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 2 comma 2 2 comma 3. Phi empty relation is given. A cross A universal relation is given. So we have to determine whether or not each of the above relation on A is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, antisymmetric. We have to check for 4 relations, for 4 types. Okay, check relation R. So first check condition of reflexive for all relation. Check the condition of reflexive is for all A belongs to capital A, there should be A comma A. So here 3 elements are here, 1 2 3. So 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 all are should be there in a relation, then it will be reflexive. So R, let's check R. R is not reflexive because it has only 1 comma 1 3 comma 3, but 2 comma 2 is missing. Let's check S. S is reflexive, 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 all are here. S is reflexive. T 1 comma 1 2 comma 2, no, T is not reflexive. Empty relation is not reflexive. Universal will have all the relations, so universal is reflexive. So answer will be only S and universal relation A cross A are reflexive. Okay, so R is not reflexive, S and A cross A are reflexive. So let's check symmetry. The condition of symmetric must be known for solving symmetric relation. Let's check R. The condition of symmetric is if A comma B is there, then B comma A should also be there. So check R. 1 comma 2 is here, but 2 comma 1 is not here, so R is not symmetric also. Let's check S. 1 comma 2 is here, 2 comma 1 is also here, so S is symmetric. 1 comma 2, then 2 comma 1. Okay, so S is symmetric. Relation T, let's check T. 1 comma 2 is here, but 2 comma 1 is not here, so T is not symmetric. So S is reflexive, S is symmetric both. Empty is reflexive only, is not reflexive, it is symmetric only. Okay, universal, it is also symmetric because it has all the relations. Now check third relation, anti-symmetric. Third relation is C, transitive relation. The condition of transitive is if A comma B is here and B comma C is here, then A comma B, C should be here. So let's check R. R is not transitive because 1 comma 2, R 1 comma 2 is here, but A comma B दे रखा है, B comma C नहीं है. So yes, R is transitive. Okay, R is a transitive relation because R में कंडीशन ही नहीं है A comma B B comma C, so it is transitive. जहाँ पे कंडीशन नहीं है, so हमें कंक्लूजन चेक नहीं करना है, देन आंसर हो जाएगा. जहाँ पे कंडीशन होने के बाद कंक्लूजन ना हो, वो ट्रांसिटिव नहीं होगा. S, लेट्स चेक S, it is transitive also. Let's check T. In T we can see 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 are there, but 1 comma 3 is not here, so T is not transitive. R and S are transitive, T is not transitive. Empty relation is transitive बिकॉज कंडीशन ही नहीं होगी, कंक्लूजन चेक नहीं करना है. यूनिवर्सल रिलेशन विल ऑल्सो बी ट्रांसिटिव एज इट हैज़ ऑल द रिलेशंस. Now check antisymmetric. The condition of antisymmetric is if a comma b is given and b comma a is also here, then a is equal to b should be there. So let's check R. R में condition ही नहीं है, so R is antisymmetric. Okay, condition नहीं है तो solution check नहीं करना है. S, let's check S. S 1, 2 is here, 2, 1 is here, means a, b, b, a both are here, but 1 is equal to 2 cannot be at any time. So S is not antisymmetric. R is antisymmetric, S is not antisymmetric. Let's check T में conditions ही नहीं है, so T is antisymmetric. Empty relation is always antisymmetric. Universal relation will never be antisymmetric because कभी भी A is equal to B नहीं होगा. So let's check the solutions. Point A, R is not reflexive, T is not reflexive. So which are reflexive relations according to answers? S, as I told, S and universal relations are reflexive relations. Okay, which are symmetric according to answer? S, empty and universal are symmetric relations. I was right. Now which are transitive relations? Only T is not transitive, R is transitive, condition नहीं है, empty भी होगा, universal होगा. S, S 1, 2, 1, 2 is here. S is there, only T is not there. So all 4 relations are transitive except S. Now check antisymmetric. S is not antisymmetric. A cross A is not antisymmetric, as I told. R, other 3 means R, T and empty are antisymmetric. So my answer was right. So first of all we must know the condition, then we will find the solution and we will write the answer. Always remember, empty relation will never be reflexive and universal relation will never be antisymmetric. Okay, these conditions are always true. empty relation कभी भी reflexive नहीं होगा, universal relation कभी भी antisymmetric नहीं होगा. और जहाँ पे condition नहीं है, you don't have to check solution for that, तो वो आंसर yes हो जाएगा. Let's see next numerical. Given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, consider the following relation in A. R is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 4. So first of all, draw its directed graph. So here in figure 2.11, we can see a directed graph is given. I have discussed in PDF in previous videos how to draw a directed graph. Simple. We have to make the elements given in set 1, 2, 3, 4 in any direction. Afterward, we will have to make a relation according to ordered pairs. 1, 1, it means 1 को 1 से डायरेक्शन देना है. 2, 2 डायरेक्टेड विद 2 का 2 से. 2, 3 2 से 3 में जाते हुए एरो. 3, 2 3 से 2 को जाते हुए एरो. 4 से 2 को जाते हुए एरो. And last 4, 4. So this is directed graph. Now we have to check, is R reflexive, symmetric, transitive or antisymmetric. So let's check R. First, reflexive, it must have A, for all. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Let's check. It is having 1, 1, 2, 2, but 3, 3 is missing. 4, 4 is there. So R is not reflexive. Let's check symmetric. The condition of symmetric I have told. If A, B is here, then B, A should be there. So let's check condition of symmetric. 2, 3 is here. 3, 2 is here. But 4, 2 is here, but 2, 4 is not here. So it is not symmetric as well. Let's check transitive. Is it transitive? 4, 2 is here. First of all, learn the condition of transitive. If A, B is here and B, C is also here, then A, C should be there in transitive. So we can see 4, 2 is here. 4, 2. 2, 3 is also here, but 4, 3 is not here, so it is not transitive again. So R is not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. Let's check antisymmetric. The condition of antisymmetric is if A, B n, b comma c both are here, then sorry, if a comma b and b comma a both are here, then a is equal to b should be there. So let's check. 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2 are here, but 2 and 3 can never be equal, so answer will be not antisymmetric. So given R is neither reflexive nor symmetric, transitive and antisymmetric, कुछ भी नहीं है ये रिलेशन, इट इज़ नन, कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, ना रिफ्लेक्सिव है, ना सिमेट्रिक है, ना ट्रांसिटिव है, ना एंटीसिमेट्रिक. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आर स्क्वायर. The formula for finding r square I have discussed in previous video. For r square, r cube or any power of relation, we will have to do composition. So the method of finding composition also I have discussed in other videos. So we have to draw set with relation, then we can find r square. So answer will be 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 2 3 3 4 2 4 3 4 4. For composition of relation, just watch my previous video, you will get the answer how to draw composition and how to find r square, r cube or any power of r. Next we can see next question. Third question, in types of relations or equivalence. Types of relations, any kind of relation. Consider a set A is equal to ABC and the relation R on A defined by R is equal to A comma B, B comma C, C comma C. So set is given, relation is given. So we have to find reflexive, symmetric, transitive. In these relations we had to check or determine कि इनमें से कौन सा रिलेशन रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक, ट्रांसिटिव, एंटीसिमेट्रिक है. वी जस्ट हैव टू चेक. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड, उनको रिफ्लेक्सिव बना के दिखाना है. सो हाउ विल वी मेक रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक एंड ट्रांसिटिव रिलेशंस? वी विल ऐड द मिसिंग ordered pair in the given relation to make them reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Let's see. A is ABC, R is given. So for reflexive we will have, for all A which belong to capital A comma A should be there. So we must have A comma A, B comma B, B comma C. So let's check R. Is it reflexive? A comma A is here, C comma C, but B comma B is missing. So we have to find reflexive of this R. So how can we make? We can add an ordered pair of B comma B to make it reflexive like this. Reflexive R is equal to R composition B comma B. So answer will be A comma A, A comma B, B comma B, B comma C, C comma C. We can add anywhere. B comma B we will add. So initially there were 4 ordered pairs in a relation, in the relation R. Now it will have 5 ordered pairs so that R becomes reflexive relation. Now similarly we have to do with symmetric. Symmetric की condition, if A comma B is here then B comma A should be there. Let's check. A comma B is here but B comma A is missing. Similarly B comma C is here but C comma B is missing. So 2 ordered pairs are missing. How can we insert? We can insert by union. Symmetric R is equal to R union B comma A comma C comma B. So now we will have, initially we had 4 relations, 4 ordered pair in a relation. Then now we have 4 plus 2, 6 ordered pair in this relation. So now it is symmetric. For symmetric we added A comma B का उल्टा B comma C, sorry B comma A, similarly C comma B we added in the given relation. So this is the method to make or find reflexive of any relation, symmetric of any relation. Similarly we will do with transitive of relation. So for condition of transitive we must have, if A comma B is given, B comma C is given, then A comma C must be here. So in relation R we can check A comma B is here, B comma C is also here, but A comma C is missing. So we will insert A comma C. So answer will be transitive R is equal to A comma A comma B, A comma C, B comma C, C comma C. So now it will have 5 ordered pairs. So this is the method to add. We can write using composition or using union. Here union is used, so we can use union also. to represent reflexive, symmetric and transitive relations. So today I have discussed various numericals based on types of relations. Only equivalence relation and its numericals are remaining in this unit. These I will discuss in next video. Thank you for listening.